Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. It should be February now, but it's currently January 22nd and I just edited and posted video for next weekend and I'm still slowly getting ready. School's starting not this weekend, but the following weekend. So I actually went shopping on Sunday. I showed you guys the books that I got, but I also got some school supplies, which I forgot to show in the last vlog. So I'll show that today and I'm also gonna be taking you with me along preparing for back to school, which is odd timing to be posting like a back to school video, but I'm going back to do a ballet teaching program in February. I'm really excited about, and it's just a different program than like September, like different delivery of program. It's online, it's remote, but I still want to be prepared and have like an office set up. So I'm going to show you guys what I do to prepare for that. And I talked about in the last vlog how I want to really set up myself for success, make sure that I have some healthy habits with me, such as doing my hobbies in my free time, reading, dancing, also doing some exercise. Now I haven't done a ballet class in a while, but something about today really makes me want to do Pilates, and I think it's because it's -20 outside and I want to get nice and warm and I do not want to put on a pair of leotards and tights right now. So I'm going to do a Pilates class this morning before I teach the next 2 hours. So let's get changed into something a little bit more Pilates, since this is clearly not something I can wear for Pilates. I guess I could technically, but like we're gonna put on a workout fit to be inspired. I've got these leggings from La Vie en Rose, and I also have a matching sweater, but I'm gonna wear this top from Popflex because it kind of goes with the colors, and I always like to do something matching, something that makes me feel confident when I'm doing a workout. I don't know, it motivates me. It's something definitely psychological and has nothing to do with the performance, but I mean, psychological tips help with performance. So I definitely like to feel cute in a Pilates workout or any kind of workout really. So I'm gonna wear this and keep my hair back just lightly. And I think I'm gonna do something that focuses on whole body, or at least upper body, because I did legs yesterday with my spin class and I felt really jello-y yesterday, but I feel really good now. And I think that's because I rested after and I did a really good deep stretch. So I'm gonna do some upper body / total body for today's Pilates class.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to your practice. You won't need any equipment, just
Done 31 minutes, 88 active calories, 122 total, 114, what's this called, beats per minute, and I'm done. So that Pilates class was an intermediate mat Pilates with no equipment. I think next time I will do one with weights, because I was like, I'm just gonna do the total body one, but I think I'm gonna do one with weights. There's one that comes up next, mat Pilates with weights intermediate. I think I'll do that one next time, but I'm gonna go shower because I teach in an hour. That was a funny rhyme. And I'll catch you guys later. I needed that. Okay, hi friends. So just got out of the shower, did that Pilates class, going to do a little bit of makeup before I go to teach today. I teach online first and then I go into work and teach in person, and I'm wearing a full Lulu fit today. I feel very dance teacher. Anyways, yeah, not much has happened since the last vlog. I go into work tonight, and then this weekend I'm actually away because I'm at a birthday party, a couple birthday parties actually, which will be really fun. And the birthday party consists of a registered massage, which is so nice. I'm so looking forward to it. Tell me if this is weird, but part of me is like, I need to get really sore on Friday, like do a really heavy, hard workout, so that when I go in for my massage, I'm like, I don't know, I use it well. If that makes any sense. Like, I don't know. It's gonna be nice regardless, because my head and my neck, I haven't been sleeping right, so it'll be good regardless, even if I'm not sore going into it. But part of me is like, I should get really sore so that when I get the massage, it feels really good. So anyways, that is happening this weekend, and I also want to set up my office and stuff in the coming week before school starts, but I don't really know where to make my office because It's really cold in some areas, and yeah, I don't know. I like to stay warm and cozy. I love being in the bedroom to teach because it's just like very vibey, white and clean looking. Even if it's not necessarily clean, it just makes me feel at peace. But I really need a desk, and I don't have a desk in the bedroom because like, why would I? So I think I'm going to have to opt for something in between, like the spare room maybe, because that's also pretty cozy. We also just did a giant IKEA order because we need new duvets. The duvet that we currently have is like very thin and flimsy, and it's been like -20, guys. It's been so cold here. It's been so cold that everything is just completely ice covered and frozen, and I'm just looking at some icicles right now. They're not that big, but we're gonna have to take them down. But yeah, it's just so cold lately, which is nice to be working out inside, which is another reason I opted not to sign up for a gym just yet. I know I was going to the gym the last few weeks, and if you're wondering, like, Jasmine, you were going to the gym, did you just cancel your membership? No, that was actually like a free trial. I was just trying it out, and honestly, this is gonna sound really like annoying of me, but when it comes to working out, I need the vibe of the place to be like calming and cute, and I care about the aesthetic of where I'm working out. I know that's so stupid. It is, because that doesn't affect the quality, but it does for me. The same way that putting on my cute workout set will help motivate me, the space around me also impacts me a lot. I feel the space around me a lot. So I don't know, the gym just wasn't something that motivated me as much, you know, even when I blasted my music, that helped. Blasting my music and wearing a cute fit, but still, I think I prefer like yoga studios if I'm gonna go out to work out, and I prefer classes because I really need someone to like push me in a class, whereas if I'm doing my own class or I'm like just trying out things and, you know, following my own routine, I'm just not as motivated. I love taking dance classes and like classes in general. It probably stems from being a dancer and a dance teacher. Like, I just love taking classes. It feels social to me. It feels motivating because there's other people there. It feels, oh my goodness, it just feels like I have less to think about and people can lead me. Because I often feel as an instructor and as a dance teacher, I lead a lot of the classes. So when I go to the gym and stuff, I don't have the brain to like think of a class for myself. So I want someone to almost like tell me what to do and lead me. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes any sense. And I know it's a weird theory. I don't know, the whole like, it needs to be cute. But does anybody else feel like that? Does anybody else relate to that statement? Maybe it's not super relatable, but that's probably why I like doing classes at home, because home feels cozy to me. I can light a candle, make it all cute around me. And it honestly is way more affordable than going to the gym for me. And yeah, so that's my 2 cents on, I think, why I'm going to opt to not sign up for the gym. Sorry, Steve. I know that was something we were going to do together, but just wasn't my vibe. There we go. Okay, I think that's good for makeup. My hair is a hot mess, but I need to go into my class because it starts in 15 minutes. So I will catch you guys probably tomorrow, honestly, because tonight I finish work so late and I'll get home so late, and I'll probably just wash my face, brush my teeth, go to bed straight away. Which reminds me to pack a dinner tonight because I have an hour-long break. And last time I had this whole fiasco. So I had this whole fiasco with Skip the Dishes where I accidentally ordered for pickup, and then I messaged the people saying like, oh my gosh, can you cancel the order or whatever? And they're like, we can actually change it to delivery. And I was like, cool, even better. So I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. And like 20 minutes goes by. So then I reach out, I'm like, hey, like this isn't updated. And they're like, no, you ordered it for pickup. And I was like, yes. But the first person told me they could change it to delivery. And they're like, no, that's not possible. And I was like, okay. So can I just, I don't know, get a refund or like a credit or something, because I'm not going to be able to pick it up now because it's been 20 minutes and I only have an hour break. And they're like, no, there's nothing we can do. So then I reached out a third time because I waited around just to see if anything changed. And they said the same thing. There's nothing we can do. And I was like, dang, I really just poured $20 on the drain. But anyways, it worked out because I called the place that made the food and I asked them, they're like, don't worry, we throw out the food after 20 minutes anyways if nobody picks it up. So just come in tomorrow and we'll make you a new one. And I was like, oh my gosh, I feel really bad about that. Wish I had known like that I should have picked it up, right? Obviously I ordered it for pickup, but when I spoke to the first person, they said, we'll change it to delivery. I just waited around, whereas I could have went and got it. But anyways, it got resolved. Thankfully, they were so nice about it at the restaurant at, I think it was Mucho Burrito. No, it was Bar Burrito. They were really nice there. But anyways, I'm going to pack a dinner so I don't have to do that again tonight. And yeah, save money. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So like I mentioned, I am starting school soon, and because I'm starting school, I know one of the things that I really need is a healthy routine, and I also need a really healthy and attainable exercise routine mainly. I already have a pretty active lifestyle as a dance teacher, but since I'll be sitting a lot in school and doing homework, I know that I'll need to be really aware of whether I'm moving my body, because it's good for your physical as well as your mental health to move your body. It's also really easy in the winter for me to give myself excuses like, oh, it's cold out, I don't want to go on a walk, it's too chilly, I don't want to get changed to get into my exercise gear. But you know what? I've been kind of following the routine where on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays every other week I do spin class. For example, this day, Monday, I'm doing a spin class, and then on the Tuesday I do Pilates, Wednesday I do another spin, Thursday, which is today, I'm recording the voiceover, I'll do Pilates, and tomorrow I will do another spin class. That way I don't get bored with the same routine, and then the following week I'll do the opposite, where I'll do Pilates Monday, spin Tuesdays, Pilates Wednesday, alternating every other day with spin and Pilates, especially since I'm someone who loves to get her exercise outdoors and go on a walk, but it's been literally negative 25 degrees, so it's been way too cold to do that. I've also picked up a lot of hobbies such as rock hounding.
Oh, bubbly, but it's still kind of gray. Every time I have to
take some out.
or maybe not do it.
Something quite small. This is, oh wow, that one looks cool.
So we are doing the final stage of the polishing, and I'm most excited for this stage. The first stage was really exciting because we threw these rocks in, and they were quite literally like jagged rocks we found on the ground and while we were rock hounding. And now there are these smooth gemstones, so I'm really excited to see what step 4 brings us, and I will keep you guys posted. I love these new duvet covers. This one's so soft. It's the Nat Jasmine from IKEA. The matching pillowcases. And then I also got this in a duvet cover, as well as the sheets for the king bed. And I'm gonna put on the second duvet that we just got. It's like the warmer, the extra warm duvet, because it's really cold today. So 2 duvets in the bed. And yeah, I love the color. It's just so clean looking. Oh my goodness, this one is such nice quality. I love it. We've got both duvets on right now, but that's okay because it's really cold.
Today's class is intermediate to advanced Pilates class.
So I debated doing a ballet class, but I was like, I really want to do something that clears my mind and just feels really good. And not that a ballet class doesn't do that, but I also just didn't want to get in a leotard and tights, and I just wanted to do some more like meditative exercise. So I did a Pilates class with stretching meditation at the end. It was about 30 minutes, so that was really good. And I teach right now, so I am gonna get changed to go teach, and it's snowing like crazy out right now, which is perfect because I love when it snows and I'm working out inside, or I'm teaching inside, because it's such a pretty view. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go get ready to teach. That was really good. Hi guys, it's currently Wednesday, January, let's see the date. It's currently Wednesday, January the 29th, and I lost my pointe shoes the last time I told you guys I was gonna do pointe. I lost them. I couldn't find them like anywhere. Turns out they were just in my bag this entire time. They're always in the most expected spot, to be honest. So I'm gonna throw these on, do like a half-hour pointe class, and probably close out the vlog here because I've taken you on a week with me. It's been not that interesting, aside from the fact that I went to a really, really fun birthday party, 2 fun birthday parties this weekend. I didn't vlog it just because, yeah, I was just enjoying the fun of it and the bonding time and the relaxation because we went to a spa. So anyways, I am going to put on my pointe shoes, do a ballet class before I have an appointment at 10:45. It's online, so I can just literally throw on a sweater and be ready for it. But like I said, I'm going to close out the vlog here after my pointe class. So thank you guys for joining me if you got this far. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now. Like I said, I like to alternate my workouts, but I try to dance as often as I can, and when I feel motivated, I don't really put a day in particular to when I dance, because dance to me, this is going to sound so cheesy, but to me, it is almost like therapy. It just takes me into the now, and it's really, really a useful tool for me to ground myself and to really be present. So I pretty much just dance when I feel motivated and when I feel that I need to. And this Wednesday, I definitely felt like I needed to. I was working on a lot of things that I'm really excited about, but I have this anticipatory stress and anxiety about school starting and then juggling work, juggling a social life, juggling my hobbies. So dance was really needed today. And it's also been a really long time since I've put on my point shoes. Like I mentioned earlier in the clips before, I lost my point shoes for a little bit. So I found them. They were of course just in my bag like they were supposed to be, but once I found them, I was like, this is a sign. I'm going to put them on and do a point/ballet bar. And I'm so happy that I did. So if you got this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, which should be next week, bye now.